Hey there, Instagram users. Have you ever collaborated with someone on a post, but then realized you wanted to remove them from the post after it's been published? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to remove a collaborator from a post after publishing in just a few easy steps. First, open up your Instagram app on your Android device. Find the post you want to remove a collaborator from and tap the three dots at the top right. Next, tap Edit. This will take you to the post's editing screen. Now tap Tag People. This will allow you to see all the collaborators on the post. Tap the multiplication icon on the right of the collaborator's account that you want to remove. This will give you the option to remove them from the post. Tap Done. Follow the on-screen instructions, then tap Done again to confirm. And that's it. The collaborator has now been removed from the post. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily remove a collaborator from a post after it's been published. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments below how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.